Assalamu alaikum class. How are you? I hope all of you are fine. Today we will learn our new chapter, chapter number 3. It's our first lecture of this week. Now, chapter name is place value, ordering and rounding. So, first of all, today we will discuss multiplying and dividing by zero point 0.1 and 0.01. Okay, so let's start our topic. So here are the keywords that you memorize. Okay, that is your vocabulary words. So you must know what is the power of 10, power, index, round, degree of accuracy, equivalent, calculation, and approximate. Okay, so let's start. So lesson 1, multiplying and dividing by zero point 0.1 and 0.01. It's mean dividing by or any number, let's suppose. Okay, the number 10, 100,000 and 10,000, they are written as the power of 10. Okay, like power only 10, it's mean 10 10 power 2, 100, 10 power 3, 1000, 10 power 4, 10,000. So the power that show the power of 10 can be written like a index. Okay, so let's suppose these are the index, these are index values that you can see here. Okay, like square value, cube, and 4, these are all, we will call it indexes. Okay, so now with the help of this in this first lesson, you know that what is power. Okay, power, this the small digit that you put here, that is the power. Okay, and overall we will call it as an index. Okay, now here, first example, write 10 power 6 as a number and as well as in the words. Okay, let's suppose 10 power 6, 10 power 6 mean we just put here in six zeros. Okay, if he write here 6, so it's mean we must put here six zeros. You can also write like this, that 10, you can write 10 six times, 10 multiply 10 multiply 10 multiply 10 multiply 10 multiply 10. So it's mean which is right as 1 followed by six zeros. So this how many? As you know that this one is thousand, three zeros show thousand, four zero 10,000, then 100,000, and then 1 million. Okay, then million. So next one, B part. Let me show you 1 minute. Yeah, write the number of there are 50 as a power of 10. So it's mean there are 50, so we put here 50. So there are five zeros after one. So in one, double zero, triple zero. So we can write like this. So as it is same, the decimal number, let's suppose decimal number zero point 0.1 is the same like 1 by 10. Okay, and 0.01 is same like 1 by 100. And if you have 0.001, so it's same like 1 by 1000. Okay, if the point after point, if the number there are two digits, so it means there are two digits in the down. Okay, zero digits after one, so it's mean 100. So if there is one, so it's mean 10. If there are three after decimal point, this is the decimal point. This point we also give a name decimal point. So I hope you understand this thing. Now let's suppose you are multiplying 8 multiplies zero point 0.1. So it's means you are multiply 8 multiply by 1 by 10. Okay, let's suppose you multiply about 8 multiply by 1, that is equal to 8. Okay, and divided by 10. So you also write like this, that it's equal to 8 by 10. 8 divided by 10. By, whenever I'm using the word by, 8 by 10, it's also it's the same meaning I am talking about divide. Multiplying a number by 0.01. So 0.01, as I told you before, 0.01 mean 1 by 100. So 8 multiplied by 0.01 means it's same like you're talking about 8 by divided by 100. So I hope you understand this all. Okay, let's start our example. Work out the answer of the following questions. Here we have first of all 32 multiplied by zero point 0.1. 0 0.1, as I told you before, 0 0.1 means 1 divided by 10. So 32 multiply 132 divided by 10. So answer is 32 by 10. When you solve this, okay, so you can write this one like that. Let me show you here. Here 32 divided by, let's suppose divided by, here you write 10. Okay, so mm, 1 minute, divided by 10. So after this, you can, you know that whenever I remove this 10, here is 1 0, so here is a point. Okay, let me show you the point. No, here is a point. If there is nothing after the number, this is the point. Okay, so this point automatically move here when you remove 1 0 from the division side. So you can remove this 0 and the point will come. So you can write like this, it's equal to 3.2. Okay, I'm sorry, I cannot write very well because I don't have enough experience to write using mouse. So same like that, we are solving the second part. Let's suppose B part. Okay, so here is 4.2 multiplied by 0.001. So as I told you before, so how will we write like this? We will write like 4.2 divided by, there are after point how many digits? 2. So I put here 2 zeros. Okay, so later on what we will do next, then equal. So when I divide this, I told you whenever I remove the zeros, number of zeros, so the point is moving forward. Let's suppose I remove this 0 here, I draw a line, this show divide. Now let's suppose I remove this point 0, so the point is moving forward. Okay, again I will try to remove another point is 0, so it's mean again from here to here. Okay, so if here is nothing, so my point is here now this time. Okay, so this mean here is a 0, you put 0, and after point you also put 0. It is important. Okay, so what you will write here, so you will write here 0.042. Okay, this is your answer. Now next one is uh, 6 divided by 0 0.1 means 6 divided by, oh here here on the top it's multiply. Okay, but here is divide. So what happened here, it's mean it's they are talking about 6. Okay, then divided by, sorry, here divided by 0 0.1. Okay, I will show you. As I told you before that 0 0.1 means it's equal to 1 by 10. Okay, so it's equal to 1 by 10. So what does it mean? It's mean that, let me show you 1 minute. Okay, it's equal to 1 by 10. So what we will do here, so its simple meaning is that equal to, if I write here the number, let's suppose I write here 6 divided by 1 0 0.1. 0 0.1 means 1 divided by 10, so I also write 1 by 10. Okay, so this will show here. Let's suppose this one is already a division, and divide of divide is multiply. So what happened next, so this 10, this will come automatically toward up. Okay, so you can write the next step like this, like here you write 6. Okay, then you write multiply, then you write 10. Okay, and divided by 1. Okay, so this thing they will go up, so 6 multiplied by 10, that is equal to 60. Okay, and divided by 1, it's same, no problem, you can write 1 or not, it doesn't matter. 60 divided by 1 equal to 60. So as it is same, you are doing the next one, it's also divide, but there are two zeros, so 100 is multiplied with this number. So this point, when 100, this number multiply with 100, so let's suppose I will show you here. Like here the question is question D part 4.156, when it's multiply with 100, so what happened, so the point is moving backward. Okay, so how many it's moved backward? Two time, first time here, the second time here. So what I write here, 415, then point, because 2 times point is moving backward, then 6. That is your answer. I hope you understand. Now next is let's start our topics. Okay, so here these questions are so simple. I just solve one. Let's suppose he write here 10 power 3, so it's mean you write here 1 and 3 zeros. Same like this, he said write it number in the form of power. So let's suppose I solve B part. How many zeros this will have? 3 here, 6, and 1 here, 7. So I write here 10 power 7. So here I write 10, and then I will write here 7. Okay, so that is the answer of this question. Now question number 3, work out these. Okay, the simple questions as we solved it before. So when you multiply with this, so it's mean you are writing this 62 divided by 10. So what does it mean? If you remove 1 0 from the downside, okay, so what happened next? So the, let's suppose if you remove this 0, okay, so the point will come automatically here. So your answer must be 6.2. Okay, so here you write 6.2. I hope you understood all this. Now, same like this, is there any divide? No, these are all multiplication. Let's suppose I solve one more, like here is 1. Sorry, here is 4. That is multiply with 1 by multiply with 0.01. It's mean it's equal to 1 divided by 100, because after point there are two digits, two decimals, so it means 1 divided by 100. So once I multiply this, my answer is 0 point, sorry, I write here 1 divided by 100. So what happened next when I move this? So in the next place, it's equal to, when I remove 1 0, so it's the point is moving. Let's suppose here line, when I remove these zeros, here is a point. Okay, if there is nothing, it's mean here is a point. It moved from here to here. Okay, when I remove another 0, sorry, another 0, so again it's moved from here to here. So your point is here, so it's mean, so here you put 0. Okay, and your answer is equal to 0.04. Okay, that is your answer, so you can write like that. So the answer of this question is 0.0. Okay, here is division question is also easy. It's mean, if I told you 0.1, as I told you before, 0.1 equal to 1 by 10, 1 by 10. So yeah, and 0.01, it's equal to 1 by 100. Okay, and 0.001, that is equal to 1 by 1000. Okay, so if anything is here, it's mean this thousands is multiplied with 7, this 100 is multiplied with this, and this all numbers is multiplied with this. Let's suppose I write all the lines. These are divisions. Okay, so don't forget these things. So it's mean it's already divide. So divide of divide is multiply. So let's suppose here you multiply, because after one decimal, so it's 1 by 10. So this 10 multiply with 7, so it's equal to 70. This one is after point 2 digits, mean this one by 100. So it's mean 100 is multiplied with 2, because here is a divide sign. So remember this thing, it's 200. Same like this, it's 6.7, because it's 0.1 after point 1 decimal number. So like this you are solving all. Okay, so let's go to the new slides. Let me show you the answer first. Here are the answers, so you can write all these answers on your notebook. Okay, question number 5. Jake's work out 23 multiplied by 0.1 and 8.3 divided by 0.01. Okay, so check out the answers using the inverse operation. Okay, yeah, and remember these things. Okay, when it's multiply, it's mean it's divide with 10. Okay, so I told you before 0.1 means 10. Okay, but it's opposite operation. If here is multiply, it's mean divide. In the division you write 10, and it's divide, so it means it's multiply with 100 because after point two digits. So here it's mean 20, as I told you, it's 10. So 23 divided by 10 equal to 2.3. Yes, this one is right. So 8.3 divide we multiply by 100 after point two digits. Yeah, it's no, but it's 8.3. So once it point is moving one time, two time, it's 830, not 8,300. This one is the right answer. Yeah, there is another easy way. Here is multiply. So 0 0.1. 0 0.1 means 1 divided by 10. So 10 is multiplied with, so 10 is divided with 18. So you can also write this 18 divided by 10. Okay. So then you solve it, it's equal to 1.8. 1.8. Okay. Because point is moving there. And this one is divided like 4.5 here. 4.5 multiply. Why multiply? Because here is divide. So 0.01 I told you that is equal to 100. So I multiply with 100, that is equal to 450. So I hope you understand this all. Okay, which symbol multiply or divide goes in each of these box? Let's suppose in this one is so easy. So how you know? When mm, yeah, when any your answer, your output is bigger than your input. Let's suppose this is your input and this one is your output. So input is bigger, so it's mean here you put divide sign. Okay, otherwise you put multiply sign. If your input is bigger and output is smaller, so you put here multiply sign. Actually multiply do make increase, but in this case because it's a point value, so point value means inverse operation. You are using an inverse operation, as here he told us inverse operation we are using. So here, as he told us, these are inverse operation. When decimal come, it's mean inverse operation is we follow, like here division. Okay, okay, division. This one is smaller, so here is multiply. Okay, so same like this you are solving. Now this one is smaller, more smaller, so it's also multiply. This one is bigger, so it's divide. Okay, mm, this one is also bigger, so it's also divide. This one is smaller, so it's mean multiply. Okay, so here he write 0 0.1 or 0 0.01. Okay, 26 multiply by how many time point is moving? Two times. Okay, one, two. So it's mean we are using this one because after point two digits. So here we write 0 0.01, and here point is moving one time. So here we write 0 0.1. Okay, so here the point is moving how many times? One time. Okay, so here we write again 0 0.1. Here the point is moving backward one time, so again 0 0.1. And here the point is moving, uh, here is a point one time, two times, so 0 0.01. And the last one is here the point is moving one time because after this they are moving forward, so here we write 0 0.01. Okay, so here is your answer. I hope you understand all this. Okay, so if you have any questions, I also display all the answers on your screen. So the remaining questions, like question number 8, yeah, okay, we solve this right now, we finish this. Question number 8 is which calculator ABCD gives a different answer from the other? Show the working. Which answer, which calculator give a different answer with others? Mm, answer of this is 0 point, right here. Answer of this is 0.52 because it's divided by 100, and this one is multiplied by 10. It's this also equal to 0.552, and when I divide this, it's mean multiplied by 100, it's equal to 5200. And when I multiply means divide of multiply 0 point means divide by 10. It's 0.52. So the b is only different. Okay, so you just circle b. So b is a different answer. Show us a different answer. Okay, Razi, think of a number. He multiplies his number by 0 0.1 and then divide by 0 0.01. Then uh, divide its answer by 0 0.01 and get the final answer, that is 1205. So you just do a opposite operation. Let's suppose highlight here this number. Okay, now final answer is this. Which number he's thinking? Now we move backward. He said divide, so we multiply by 0 0.1. So multiply by 0 0.1, it's mean divide by 10. So when I divide by 10, so my answer is 12.50. Okay, next step is, after this I will go to here. He said divide, again I multiply by 0 0.01. Okay, so it's also mean divide by 100. When I divide by 100, so I will get my answer, that is 1 2. So my answer is 12.5. Okay, then he say multiply by, so it's mean I divide this number by 0 0.1. Divide mean multiply by 10. So my answer is equal to 125. So Razi think number, that is 130.25. So answer is 125. Okay. So as it is same, this part is a Harshan homework. So when you multiply the other numbers then zero. Okay, write down the one example that this is that statement is true, not true. When you multiply the number with one decimal place by 0 0.01, no, one decimal place mean after zero point 0.1 number, this is two digits, you will always get the answer that is smaller than 0. This one is right, but this one is wrong. After one decimal place, it's wrong. So once you multiply this, so he will set 1, 2, 3 point was, yes, is not smaller than 0. So that the answer is not true. When you multiply the numbers other than 0 by 0 0.1, so you will get the answer that is greater than 0. Good. Yes, true. Okay, first one is true. The second one, let's see. When you divide the number one decimal places, the 0 0.1, you will always get the answer that is greater than 100. Yeah, obviously 100. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, multiply by any negative numbers. Okay, use any number that is less than 100. So class, here is your answer. Okay, so I hope all of you understand. If you have any question related to this, so you will talk to me in the class. Okay, so I will answer you. Thank you, take care.